Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So get selling today. I'm coming to you with this hair updo tutorial. If you're interested, please keep watching. Super easy. You're good to go. Back to school, you can call it or use it for any other occasion. This is super easy hairstyle. Like I said, if you're interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? I already parted my hair into two sections. I'm using dry hair for this look, and at the back area I'm just going to basically use my hand to demonstrate what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be cutting 4 lines at the back, not 4, 5. So I'm going to make 5 lines at the back. So I'm going to be taking edge control today. I believe edge control is dry faster than when I use gel, and with this edge control it gives me also extra shine to my hair. That's why I'm using it. I love it. I think for now I'm going to be using edge control than gel. So I'm basically just going to pattern my hair, like I said, into five parts. So yeah, I'm just going to start, and then I apply a little bit of edge control so that I can really work my way easily when I'm parting my hair, because to part your hair yourself is not easy. So yeah, I'm just going to use the edge control to slick it down a little bit. I'm not going to be using that much, just a very tiny bit. And I love this edge control. Smells so good, honey. So yeah, and I'm going to be taking a brush, a dense brush. I'm just going to use it to brush every strand of my hair into place. So I'm going to go ahead and take a hairband. Like I said on my other video, I don't like using rubber band because I have a bad experience. So I love to use this tiny hairband, and it works for me a lot. So yeah, I'm just going to basically continuously doing this.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your throughout my life you've called me a renegade, a renegade, a renegade.
Guys, as you can see, I'm pretty much done. This is the last one. As you can count, 1 2 3 4 5. So yeah, I'm just going to do the last one, and then I let it for now and move straight to the front section.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling.
Section, I'm still going to do exactly what I did at the back section. I'm just going to take edge control. I'm just going to slick it up to the front area, the middle of my head. So yeah, because that is a look I'm going for. I'm still going to go ahead and use my dense comb and just use it to brush it and make everything smooth. Like seriously guys, I was loving this look. I was loving the fact that I decided to go for edge control, not gel. It just makes my life so easy, because when I have a lot of gel on my hair, I don't know, it's so irritating. So what to do, what we not to do. So right now I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail without the rest at the back, because I'm still going to go ahead and do extra vavavu at the back area.
Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
Extension hair, I'm just going to apply a hairband so that I can secure it with the braid at the back. So yeah, I'm just basically dropping the braid, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist the hair that I parted, that I section at the back area. I'm just going to twist it towards the direction that I want my bun to be. As you can see me doing, super easy. If you can twist, you can always, this is not really twisting, I'm just twisting, or I just roll it so that I can really apply the extension braid hair on top without it not showing. So when I get to the front, I'm going to take a hairband. I'm just going to add it to the braid, the little pond that I made at the front section. I'm just going to add everything together, and then afterwards I just make a very tiny bun and roll it around so that we can apply the extension braid on top. I'm still going to go ahead and use a bobby pin to secure it properly. Without the bobby pins, you go nowhere, honey. Sis, you go nowhere. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to be using about 6 bobby pins. So yeah, and I'm loving the fact that the back is really neat. And yeah guys, so when we are up to the front area, I'm just going to take the rest braid remaining. I'm just going to basically round it around under the braid, okay, under the braid, not on top. If not, we are not going to get that exactly round look. So yeah, for extra hold, because I'm going to bed, so I'm just going to go ahead and take a hair wrap. I'm just going to wrap it around so that we can have a little bit of hold. And yeah, and I'm going to be using 2 wrap to do this, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. I'll be right back to show you how I apply the color pun on my pun. Okay, color pun on my pun. Color pun on my pun. Color pun on my pun. What do you call it? I was really feeling the vibe of this look, like serious. Voila! Hey guys, what's up? We are back. Our face is super beat snatch. So what next? Our hair really need to look on point, honey. Okay, so right now I'm just going to be taking this puff that I got from Amazon, and I'm just going to try to open it. I love this color a lot, blue, and it has adjustable strap. Of course, I'm just going to try to open the straps so that we can have a lot of space, so that we can cover our little pond at the front, our hair. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it on top, and then afterwards I'm just going to draw the strap so that we can have security assurance. You know what I mean? What do you call it? Assurance. This is my assurance strap. I'm just going to draw it until I'm satisfied, but be careful so you don't get headache. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and use a strap to wrap it around, so that we can get assurance, like I said. So after that, to secure the strap, I'm going to be taking a bobby pin just to secure it down properly. We need to be 100% secure with a bobby pin, honey. Okay, don't just go ahead and wrap it and let go. If not, you're going to be seeing your hair on the streets. Okay, I know what I'm saying. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of vavavu, give it extra shape, you know, extra from the bag. We need to, you know, do our little experiment. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. If you watch this video to the end and you like it, consider subscribing and hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section below what you think, if it was helpful. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Ciao. Mwah.